To show you how you can divide your Microsoft Word into a column, maybe 2 or 3 columns, and this can help you to design a very attractive document, maybe like a newsletter, or you want to prepare some professional documents. Now, in order for you to create a column, so let's begin with a new document. All right, so now let's assume maybe this is a new document that I want it to have columns. By default, Microsoft Word document is just in one column, meaning that if you want to type, it will start from the left margin here and then on the right margin. So to enable columns to your page, you have to go to the layout tab here. So that is on the menu tab. And when you go there, then you see columns. So when you tap here, you see one column that is by default. You also see 2 columns. You can see 3 columns. Then we have left and right column. And if you want to need more option, you can just go to more columns. So here you can see the same thing over here. So let's assume maybe I want 2 columns. So I'll just take this one. And now you can even set the width and then the spacing of the column. If you want, you can leave it by default. If you want a line between your columns, that is, if you want a line to divide your columns, you can do that by checking this box. After that, then you choose where you want to apply it to, if it's the whole document or this point forward. So I'll just hit on OK. Now, if you can see, you realize that our page has been divided into 2 columns. So you can see the division, that is the margin over here. So let me just put some text here. So if you want to create text, you can just type your text, and then you will see that the text that I've typed is just ending up on this section. The first column will have to be full before you move to the second column. All right, so let me just put this text here by default, then we'll see how our document looks like. So you can see our document looks very attractive with the columns. So you see that this document looks very nice. So in case you want to work with columns, that is how you can do that. Now, if one way or the other you want to make changes, you can just go to the columns and come to more columns. Now, if you want a line between, you check it here, as I told you earlier. So this, you can see there is a line between. If you don't need any line between, go back to the same place and come to more columns. And then you can uncheck this, and then it will take off the line from there. So feel free. That is how you can divide your page into sections. That is column. This will make it very attractive to work with some professional documents. Now, if this video had been very helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumb up, and don't forget to share this video as well, and also subscribe if today happens to be your first time. Now keep watching and enjoy the rest of my videos. Now, bye bye.